now we are tracking a breaking input. Now this breaking input is pertinent to the former TMC MP Mahua Moitra's FEMA proceedings, now Foreign Exchange Management Act proceedings. Mahua Moitra has moved the Delhi High Court and said that no unverified information on the entire probe against her shall be disseminated. Now matter is to be heard in the court today. So these are the latest information and details we are getting in. These details are pertinent to Mahua Moitra's Foreign Exchange Management Act proceedings. She has reached out to the Delhi High Court requesting them that no unverified information on probe against her shall be disseminated or be given to the media in any matter. Now this entire matter is going to the court today and will be heard in court today, this morning. So these are the latest inputs that we are getting in. Mahua Moitra has moved the Delhi High Court against dissemination of information. Now joining us on the broadcast is our colleague Ananya. Very good morning, Ananya. In terms of this FEMA proceedings, does Mahua Moitra have a strong legal basis to prevent the ED from sharing the information?
Well, Mahua Moitra has now knocked the doors of the Delhi High Court requesting to restrain the Enforcement Directorate and various media houses from leaking or broadcasting and, in fact, disseminating any kind of a confidential or unverified information in relation to the ED's investigation pertaining to the FEMA Act. However, these kind of petitions are not generally entertained by the courts because until and unless there is a grave misreporting of an incident, then only the courts actually go into such things because freedom of speech and expression is a very, very important facet of the Constitution of India. And how will the High Court be reacting is something that we'll get to know in a short while from now when the Delhi High Court bench headed by Justice Subramanian Prasad actually begins to hear this particular matter. We've seen previously also people coming in and making such statements. However, much of a relief is not granted by the High Court, but how much of it does it play up for Mahua Moitra is something that we'll have to wait and watch for.
Right, Ananya. Thank you so much for bringing in all those details. We'll keep coming